Are you like many buyers right now and looking for the perfect family home with 3 bedrooms and an attached garage under $300,000 in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada? Well, you're not alone. You're going to want to check this video while I tour you through this beautiful townhouse, which is a unique 5-level split located in the desirable community of Terra Losa in West Edmonton, Canada. This home really does have it all. It's got a stunning location. It has maple hardwood throughout the home and a unique floor plan. As you enter the home, you will notice all the bright and airy windows that have been upgraded in the complex, and you will find the hardwood, a gas fireplace on the upstairs, and you just head on up to where there is an upgraded kitchen with maple cabinets and newer appliances, as well as a stunning spot to dine in. There's a 2-piece bathroom on this level, as well as your laundry. And then as you head upstairs, you will find the primary bedroom on its own. It's large and it's spacious. It does have a lake view. And there is a walk-through closet on this level, as well as a 3-piece ensuite. Continuing up, you find that there is 2 additional bedrooms on the next level. Both of those bedrooms are spacious and have plenty of room for a growing family. You have room for a bed as well as a desk if you have children. It has a 4-piece bathroom on this floor, so that makes 2 full bathrooms and 1 2-piece bathroom in this beautiful property. So tons of room for everybody in different spaces. It even has a fully finished basement. It has air conditioning, a newer furnace, a newer hot water tank. It really is move-in ready and has a stunning deck overlooking green space. Call this yours today in LaPrivada. The wait is over. You're going to want to check this out. You're close to West Edmonton Mall, transit, shopping, and all amenities, as well as a beautiful walking trails around the lake, which is steps away. Check it out, Karen Stanko with Remax. For this property or other properties, click on my link below. The wait is over for you. Look no further.